hi there! Today we're designing my dream living room using only products from Ikea. If you're new here, hi, I'm Man, and this is my doggo Mars, still sleeping from his birthday party. And today we're virtually designing a living room with my all-time favorite Ikea products. And we're starting right away, so let's go! We're starting right off by going to the IKEA US website, and we're of course starting off with sofas and sectionals. Just going into this living room design process, I already know which sofa I'm going to use for my dream living room, and that is... Can you guess my favorite sofa? Just pause the video and comment down below. Let's find it. Of course, the JÄTTEBO sofa. I just love this sofa so much, and I know it's a pricey one, but today we're not talking about budget, we're just dreaming and using the products I love the most, so I would go with this sofa. So this is a sectional, so let's take it. Also, just a note for this living room design, I'm using Canva whiteboard. That's just my favorite tool when it comes to designing spaces and making mood boards. This already looks just only with the sofa. Now, after choosing a sofa, I feel like the smartest thing to do is to go for a coffee table. So again, okay, so if you know me, you know that I always scream about the Stockholm table. I just love the Stockholm table. However, I think with this sectional, it will look weird. We should go with something round or maybe something a little bit shorter. Let's find something we like. I also like this coffee table. This one is the Lister B coffee table. I really like it. We can also go with nesting tables. I think they will look great on a sectional. Here's a nice coffee table. But I'm looking for something more MCM. Ooh, okay, I totally forgot about these tables. These are actually the smaller version, the nesting table version of the Stockholm coffee table. And I think this would be just the perfect tables to go with my sofa. Let's see them. Oh yes. Yes! This looks so good. I love it. I love it already. This looks so MCM. Now, after choosing the coffee tables, I think we should go to an armchair next. I feel like a sectional like this screams for an armchair on this left side. So let's look for an armchair. Ooh, this is a new chair at Ikea. I had it featured in my recent video, so I like it, but that's not the style I'm going for with my dream living room. But I like quite a few chairs at Ikea, so one of them is this one, the Sotenas armchair. I really like this one. Okay, we're going with this one. I mean, come on, the DYVLINGE chair is just the best chair we could go for. Yeah, we're going with this one. We are absolutely going with this one. Now we're vibing. Oh yeah! I love it! I love it, love it, love it, love it. Yes! This looks perfect already. Now next, I think we should go for a side table of some sort. So again, tables and desks and tables and side tables. So when we're talking about side tables, I really like this one. I think this would look great since it can be added on the side of our sofa. It just looks amazing. And I know we're not looking at the price, but this one costs $49, $50. This is This is just such a great price. However, since our coffee tables are already wood, I'm not sure if I want to go with an end table that's also in wood. So let's see if we can find something interesting. This is also a nice side table. And this one. Ooh, of course. Of course. The Pagoda side table. This one comes both in yellow and in white. But I think we're gonna keep it not neutral, but a little bit calmed down. So we are going with the white one. Let's see how it looks. Oh yes! Yes, we're vibing. We're vibing here. I really like it. I'm not sure about the sizes of these things and if I'm doing it right, but I think I am. Maybe the tables are quite bigger. Yes, now the next thing this living room is screaming about is actually a light. I'm thinking like a table lamp on this side table and maybe a floor lamp on the other side of the sofa. So let's see our options. Let's go with a floor lamp first. Ikea has so many floor lamps I like. For example, I love this one. This is such a nice lamp, but I would never get this lamp. I would never get this lamp because of the price. It's a little bit expensive, but it's my dream living room, so we're not looking at the budget. So this is a great option. Also this one, this is also a nice lamp. I really like it. So that's also a great option. However, one of my favorite lamps that I think will go perfectly in this living room is actually the lamp I already have. It's a fun fact. I already have my dream Ikea lamp. So, where is it? Oh, here it is, the TÄLLBYN. The TÄLLBYN floor lamp. I mean, that's all I'm gonna say. Let's see it. Oh yes. This looks perfect. This looks perfect on this side. Loving it. Loving it. Wow, we already made it look super cute and so timeless. Let me just say so timeless. And another lamp here. We could go for a few lamps. I really like lamps, if you know me. But I think I want to go with also a recent purchase of mine. If you watched my live stream, you know that I got the FORSÅ lamp and I'm so excited about this lamp. And I really think this would be the perfect lamp for over here. I mean, come on. This looks just prime. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now I feel like the next thing we should add to this space to tie everything out is of course a rug. Now this is my insecurity. I mean, rugs are the hardest thing for me personally to pick for a space. And I've been always picking the safe route when it comes to rugs, so I'm always choosing neutral rugs. And I think for this space will also be a neutral rug. Now my safe option would be to go for the low house rug, a nice neutral rug that I think it will work. However, I'm determined today to just go out of my comfort zone and look for another rug. And Ikea has quite a few rugs I like. Now I would stay away from rugs like this that look vintagey, but they're not. Maybe we can go with solid color rug, but I'm not sure if I would determine to a yellow rug. I mean, this is my dream living room we're talking about. This is also a nice rug, but let's face it, it's too bold for me. This one, I mean, I like to incorporate colors, but this one is too bold. I would never pick this colorful rug. I love it in other spaces, but I would never pick it for myself. This is a nice rug, but this is a smaller rug and not that high quality. And since the sofa is already green, I would not go with green rug. We don't want to do it matchy. I'm not sure. Maybe the Stockholm rug. The Stockholm rug is also a safe route, but I'm afraid it will look too like stripy. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. I like stripes as a pattern. Well, it works. It works with the space. It's not that it doesn't work, but I don't know. I'm not vibing with this one too much. So let's see if we can find something else. I like this one, but it's also green, so I like it stripy. This is also a nice rug. Again, the Stockholm. The Stockholm collection is my favorite collection. I mean, they have some pretty cool items that are so timeless. Let's find something else. I love this one, but it comes in only a smaller version, so we're not going to pretend that they have it in a bigger version. What should we do? This is a subtle stripe rug, and it also comes in this color. Okay, this is a rug I like. I like this one. Let's try it with this one. Oh yeah. Yes. I think I'll go with this one. I like it. Yes. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, we can finally move on from rugs. Finally. And let's go with what else do we need? Okay, we need some sort of TV unit, and let's see what we have. So let's see, the Besta is what I currently have in my living room, and I love the Besta series. But I want to go with something more interesting, maybe something wood. Ooh, the Stockholm. And this one, I also like this one. And I love the sliding doors. The sliding doors are such a moment. Now I also love this one, the Stockholm. Again, that's my favorite collection at Ikea. However, since we already have the Stockholm nesting tables, they're basically the same pattern. It will look too matchy-matchy for me, so I want to go with this one instead. I like to mix and match. Good design is mixing things but matching them. I love it. Now this TV unit needs a light, and I have a light in mind, and that is the father lamp. I think the father lamp will look perfect on this TV unit. Just look at it. Oh my god, this looks so good. This looks so good. Loving it. And the Fado is such a budget lamp. I also have it in my home right over there. Now, I feel like the only thing left to do to this living room is just add something on the wall, like a shelving unit and some wall art. Let's see, a shelving unit. I was thinking wall shelves. Oh, something like this would be so cool. Oh, this one. Yes, this one looks so cool. Look at these shelves. I love this. Let's take this. And you can also change whether you want the brackets down or up. I personally think I want them up. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. I was thinking for right over here. Yes, now I will not go the road of designing these shelves. I would add plants and books, so this is totally relevant to my style. Now I will add them on this side, and on this other side I want wall art. Now if you know me, you know that I never buy art from Ikea. I'm sorry, I love everything from Ikea, but I just hate their art. The wall art and art prints at Ikea are just too generic. Although I've seen some I like, they're usually never the right size, and it's super easy to find art on Etsy and print it yourself, so we're going to do that. I'm thinking of something retro, so let's see. I have this print in my... Ooh, maybe something like this. Etsy is just the best place to find art. It's instant download, it's just $5 and you can print it out and frame it. There are so many prints and you can search and just look at these retro prints. Look at this amazing retro prints. And as for my dream living room, I think I want to go with something like this, right? This is so cool. This print is so cool. Let's just check it out. Ooh, and I will go bold with this. I will go big on this. Wow. This looks just perfect. Oh my god, I love it so much. And I think we're done. I would add one more thing here. And I know you know what's that thing. I have to add the VBL lamp. Okay, one more lamp and we're finished. Oh my god, what can I say? I'm obsessed with lamps. But I mean, come on. This living room just screams for the VBL lamp. So I'm sorry, but it just has to be done. Has to be done. I mean, come on. Shut up. Isn't this the perfect living room? Isn't this the living room you've dreamed of? Okay, I'm missing something else here. I promise this is the last one, but I think we can zhuzh this sofa up with some throw pillows. So let's find something we like. I will not go with pops of colors. I don't like pops of colors, especially when it comes to cushions, but I like mixing patterns and doing pops of patterns. So, okay, here's an example. I really like this one, so let's try this one out. Also, when in Rome, let's try something with pattern, something like this. I'm confident this one will work. I'm obsessed with throw pillows. I don't know how I forgot about adding throw pillows. Okay, and this one also. Again, not breaking the law, not doing pops of colors, just rolling with the colors and going with pops of patterns. So let's see if we've picked right. Maybe this one goes here or here. Maybe something like this. Yes. It's stripy, but it's different stripes, so... And this one goes here, and this one goes on top. Oh my god, you guys. Are you seeing this living room? I mean, this is beyond... I'm beyond happy with how this turned out. I love this. Oh my god. I need this art. I need the shelves, I need the art. I need everything in this living room. This is my dream living room. This is my dream Ikea living room. Are you ready to see how it turned out? I'm dying to see it. Let's see the render. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. I really hope you liked how this living room turned out as much as I did. I mean, I'm screaming inside. I just love how it turned out. And if you like this video, you can check out a few more videos I have with the same concept. I will have them linked down below if you haven't seen them. I've designed a living room on the budget using only IKEA products, and I've also designed a bedroom using only IKEA products. So you should totally check those videos out. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars, you weren't a part of the video. But you'll be next time, buddy, I promise. This is his new toy. We got him for his birthday. Have you guys seen the live? If you haven't seen the live, go ahead and check it out to see more of Mars. Just look at this manicure. This birthday boy turned 5 years just a few days ago, so head on to check the live right now. Right, Mars? Say bye. Bye-bye.